Something big is happening right now at the stadium, and today's update gives us one of the clearest looks yet at how fast everything is coming together. From major structural milestones to visible finishing work, and even the first real glimpse of the final facade. This project is entering a completely new phase. Let's take a full look at all the key developments. The third tier is now entering its finishing phase, with nearly all prefabricated seating elements installed and only minor upper sections remaining. Active work is focused on sealing the joints between seating rows, preparing the surface for waterproofing and final finishing layers. Structural reinforcement in key areas has been completed using cast-in-place concrete, ensuring long-term stability. Seat installation is expected to begin in the summer following the end of the current season. The compression ring continues progressing with around 14 major segments already installed, while current activity is focused on preparation rather than lifting new sections. Temporary support structures are being installed and secured to support upcoming assembly phases, especially toward the south side. New ring segments, along with pillars and radial beams, have arrived on site and are being staged for installation. Crews are working on alignment, connection points, and structural bases to ensure precision for the next stage of heavy assembly. At the north goal, slat installation is progressing rapidly with a key visual milestone now achieved. The yellow panel has been added, giving a clear first look at the final facade design in this area. As more slats are installed around it, the overall structure is becoming more defined and visually complete. The south goal area is showing strong progress, particularly in core structures and upper framing. Steel elements are being installed, including vertical and diagonal members, preparing the area for facade integration. Multiple work platforms are active, and the cores here are among the most advanced, moving quickly toward enclosure and finishing stages. Interior works inside the VIP ring are advancing rapidly across both levels. Crews are installing drywall partitions, galvanized framing, and insulation materials. Electrical, drainage, and ventilation systems are also being integrated, making this one of the most active and fast-moving areas due to its priority for early completion. The grandstand area is seeing simultaneous progress across multiple elements. Black panel enclosures have now arrived, significantly changing the visual appearance of this section. At the same time, ventilation tube installation is advancing steadily, along with ongoing metal framework adjustments, bringing the area closer to completion. The tribune area is progressing at a steady pace, with additional concrete slabs being installed on core structures and ongoing structural adjustments in certain sections. Material deliveries continue, including drywall components, while some welding and finishing preparations are also visible. Although less active than other zones, the tribune is gradually moving forward toward structural completion. The official timeline confirms that the stadium is expected to open with a capacity of 70,000 by late September 2026, expand to 80,000 by the end of 2026, and reach full completion by spring 2027. The project has reached a major milestone with the structural completion of the third tier. While progress continues across the facade, lower sections, and grandstand. With a clear timeline in place and work advancing in all key areas, the stadium is steadily moving toward full completion.